You take some pictures and some vids. Dude, you already have pictures. I know, I can't get enough of it. Can you? I didn't need to wash it. See, it's already starting to come down again, my saggage. It's glistening though, it's beautiful out. Rotor's still in mint condition. Everything's holding up how it should, I'm happy with it. I'll make this a two-part video. So today I'm going to go for a drive, go enjoy it being nice outside, because it said 70 degrees inside, so it's very nice outside. And then tomorrow is Cars and Coffee over in Grand Rapids, like I said in the last video. And then we're gonna go look at a car with Hayden, and hopefully everything works out. I'll stop this video tomorrow after Cars and Coffee and start the new one, and then go look at the car just so I have some video. So for right now, I know I have a bunch of videos and a bunch of clips of me doing pulls in this, so I don't know what else. I guess I can just show like the daily pull, I guess, and just go for a rip, show you a couple pulls, but I just kind of like cruising. So I'll see you soon. It's gonna be a little windy, but I made it into Marshall. The fountain's up here. I figured I'd get a cool clip of just driving around it, I guess. Not from third person or from outside. Just driving around it. Not much to do. It's nice out, so I'm enjoying my drive. So that's next. Sometimes there's a cool car parked up here, so I'll see if he's there today. No, he works at this place right here. Oh, yeah, there it was. There's an S4 over there. Alright, I'm gonna drive through town. I'll get you guys later. Get on the on-ramp. Alrighty, back at home. Sorry, that's in the way. Back at home, I'm gonna wash my Cobalt because the Cars and Coffee tomorrow. My window motors weren't so weak. It took forever. They walk around because I like looking at my car. Just drove it, so it might be a little dusty. It's kind of gross though. You can see in the paint. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it ain't perfect. Dust all down there. I'm gonna wash it up. How it's sitting though. Beautiful. Alrighty, so that's next. I got bug guts all over my car, so time to wash it. Alrighty. Got it cleaned up, sauced up. All ready for tomorrow. Looks beautiful. There you go. I know you like that. Can't zoom in fast enough. I know you like that little bumper saggage with the little hood fitment. But it's all done, so I'm excited. If everything works out, I've noticed. I guess on this side a little bit. Only my outside of my tires are wearing. Showing I got some whack camber or something. As you can see. Cutting that, but inside, if you can see in there, it's fine in there. So a couple more weeks or so on these bad boys. I gotta get some new tires anyway, so that's because that's what they look like usually. But everything's set. pull this back over by this, go get a bite to eat, string trim, and then I guess I'll pick it up tomorrow when I wake up. So I'll see you guys then. Alright, I said the next clip I was gonna be, you know what, but I just wanted to film the two buttes together. So you know they be looking good other than all the bird crap on top of this thing, dude. What is that? On the window. Yuck. And I hit another bird today. I popped my whole entire, this was shoved all the way back in. I had to pull it back, but that's annoying too. So second bird in 2 weeks on that. But this is looking minty. I know it's not perfect. I know it's ugly. I know my wheels need some work. I know I just put a bunch of grass up there after I just drove it. And the drip marks. But other than that, look at all the water coming off of it. But it's all set for tomorrow, so see you guys bright and early. It's an early morning. It's a beautiful day though, so I'm ready. Dang, it's a really nice day out today. Hayden's little broke boy is on his way. So is Lucas. We got the convoy going. Dirty poop bucket. This is semi-clean, I guess, for right now. So once everyone gets here, we'll dip. Drive an hour. Hopefully not run out of gas. Yeah, look at the top of my car. From all the trees and stuff. Well, that sucks, but can't do nothing about it. I'll start it up. I'll get you a cold start because I know all you guys want to hear that. There you go.
Cars and coffee in the slow boat. I am tired and my face is burned.
He needs to hurry up.
You're mean to my feelings.
I don't know if you can hear because this car is so loud.
Miranda is.
But we are like a minute away from the Cars and Coffee. It started at 8.
Here's some ones right here.
But there are cars rolling up right now. So it's okay. Hayden, move your head for a second. There's Lucas back there. You do be vibing.
You do be vibing. Look at the rally.
We have some people in Jeeps. Sorry.
Gotta get the 35s on the compass.
On the compass.
That is all.
We got the fuzz and the turbo beetle. Maybe rolling up on the whip though. C8. I know you guys see the C8.
We do be rolling up to the Carmi.
Back to Seattle with the 350.
There's a lot of people here.
Everybody's looking at us.
I'm recording the dashboard.
Alright, get all the Alright, all the stairs.
Mini cam.
All the stairs, there's cam.
Mini cam.
Mini cam though. All the stairs.
You really do be vibing.
Look at that right there though. Okay guys, this is definitely going to be one of the biggest meets in Michigan, okay? I'm just saying.
Guys, you will not park in the back.
I want to look. Hey, look at the S2K right there.
People want to look at you.
S2K and
Park
S4.
in the back.
Miranda's telling Bryce not to park in the back, but no, it's just how it is.
The whole point of bringing car sensing is for people to look
Check
at
all
them
these guys
and
out.
park
They can come over and look
Alright,
at it.
we'll get some more vids for you guys once we get out and we actually get into
park next
get into it all. So give me a chance.
There's Aaron. Some sweet cars.
What are we about to do?
Yeah, some sweet cars.
What did we get rolling up right here though? Do the Instagram tags. Edit in the Instagram tags right now. Right there and there.
6 feet apart though.
Hey, I gotta be careful.
I want to go look at the C8.
Dude, that was sweet.
It's really good looking. I haven't seen one like up close yet. Yeah, neither have I. The Lamborghini lap.
This out though.
Dude, I'm so happy.
Yeah, I know. Alright, we got to see it right here. George, learned to see it right there.
Like Detroit right now.
Couple bikes right here. I'm not big into bikes, so I can't tell you guys what they are, but there you go. It's probably bike people. Miata gang right there, boys. That's what it's about. No, we did stall it.
Light it up, light it up.
Rip it, buddy.
Bunch of that.
Fortunately, it's just a bunch of plastic, but you know what's under there anyway. What's that?
Huh?
What'd you say?
I don't remember.
That's the turbo slingshot. ZZP build.
Is it? I was gonna say, slingshots are gay.
ATSV.
I like those ATSs though.
I do too.
I've seen this car before.
That was one of those three-wheel slingshots. I feel like I've seen this somewhere.
I have definitely. I was driving from Kylie's house.
Oh, you've seen it
I've
driving?
seen this car. No, it was parked next to like a black.
This is insane. A ZZP Spark. Or Sonic. My bad, guys. You can correct me in the chat.
It doesn't look like a component shop.
No,
It's like warehouse kind of
regular building.
Yeah.
Look at this boy right here. Stand still.
That's your car right there. From the 60s or something.
Yeah.
Very beautiful car right here.
That's
I didn't know he doesn't own anything in here either. He just fucks around, pulls around.
yeah, but he had to buy 6 wheels.
Oh, he did.
That's sweet though.
And he bought like. That's more. I have a place. God, dude, I have a special place in my heart for Escorts, dude. The 2.7s.
That made me.
See that rear deck? I think it's quiet.
Oh, what a pussy, dude.
He likes this car.
This guy's gonna
Look at
rip.
this one.
They're all ripping.
Let's go on.
rip it? Falling out.
There it is. Baby bull.
We're dipping out of the projects. Too poor for this place, huh? We park in the back because we don't want people to see.
E85. The cobalt sucking up all E85's nectar.
I kept throwing a code that kept saying extreme fuel richness. Yeah, and it would obviously take my cruise control and all that shit off. Yeah. So I had to, every time I drove it, I had to reset it. And now that I'm on that stage, forever 2.2.
Did you get it from MAP?
No, just the copy.
Oh.
Dude,